Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're going to talk about GMN non-contact Labyrinth seals, because a common question we get around here is, how do I protect my high-speed bearings in a high-speed application? The inner and outer race of a non-contact Labyrinth seal are separated by, surprise, a labyrinth. This labyrinth has been designed over many months, if not years, of engineering iterations and testing to optimize the prevention of contaminants from getting from one side to the other side of the seal. The efficiency of the seal is also supported by the rotation of the shaft, which creates centrifugal forces internally in the seal that will slow, stop, and even expunge contaminants before they get to the other side of the seal. The key benefits of a non-contact Labyrinth seal are pretty obvious. It's non-contact, which means there's no wear, and that wear can't turn into contamination. There's no extra heat generation. The motor that is attached someplace in the system also doesn't have any extra drag on it, increasing the efficiency of the motor itself, which increases the efficiency of the entire system because it will lower power consumption. Another common way we get questions about Labyrinth seals is, what is the difference between a contact seal and a non-contact seal? All the previous points we talked about apply, however, we can add in life. A contact seal has a predetermined life where maintenance cycles have to happen and that seal needs to be replaced, whereas a non-contact Labyrinth seal will live the life of the bearing and does not need to be maintained. A key difference between contact and non-contact seals is speedability. Contact seals can only handle low RPM, whereas a non-contact seal shines at high RPM. GMN produces 3 distinct types of non-contact Labyrinth seals. First being the L&M type. It's a metallic seal with a horizontal sawtooth pattern. The L type being standard, the M type having extra OD drain grooves to support heavier splashing, heavier contaminant applications. Then we have the S or an SA type seal. These are food grade plastic material with an angled sawtooth pattern. The S being standard, the SA also having extra drain grooves for those heavier contaminant, heavier splashing applications. Then our newest design, something we're very proud of, is the CF. It has 100% sealing efficiency even when it's not rotating. As you can see, there are many distinct differences between contact seals and non-contact seals. If questions still remain, there's a link below to our seals guide. It contains many engineering particulars to make your application as successful as possible. If you still feel the need to talk to somebody, give us a shout and one of our engineers will help you.